My people, my people, my people. I remain Emenihire, the anchor of this show, Akoko Abia. Don't mind me, my signature cap is in my hand. Oh boy, see my beer. Lockdown for Abia State, my people. Baba, all the Baba don't lock down. Nowhere to even bar, to even do anything again for Abia. Hey, not be small matter with you. This lockdown don't really lock down so many things. Oh my, make you not quote me. Even our Governor Kezi Bazo, where be Johnny Man, where they like Waka, where they move from place to place. Today in the Lagos, today in the Abuja, tomorrow in the Abidjan, next tomorrow in the Abidjan. Himself, they Abia now. We all day here together. Now this lockdown, we all now, we are here together in unity in Abia. Maybe after this lockdown, the man nobody walk out too much again. Nobody no be me talk, I just they talk what the people they talk. Nah. Another problem what can see be say. Everywhere where I go, they go push out from my hand. I go rub up. I will go another place, go put up pick up. Person no go call up, what you go make your hand go white. Nah. And these days, you get one sanitizer where they put for my hand. Where come be like say they smell like a shit, like shit. As I just said, no. My hand remain like this till I reach my house. Before I go wash up. I beg you now. Make una no wound us with some dangerous sanitizer. I mean a sanitizer. I tell you true. Some of these sanitizers when they see for una danger or no. I beg go Ministry of Health for Abia. Make una begin the investigation sanitizer or sanitizer. Nah. Another thing why they observe be say we go to check now from now till 9 months. We go see so many lockdown babies, Koro babies. Go they jump out from everywhere. You go see Koro baby. You go say Koro baby time. Now they go. If they say make you don't lock down for house, they not say make you go lock down with your wife for. Because if you lock down with your wife, just imagine, just between me and you now, just between me and you. If people they lock down now, if everybody when they lock down with their wife, oh boy, you know what they gonna do? It just be like say, make you just put your ear and you're gonna hear sound of lockdown between husband and wife this season. You're gonna hear pam pam ticket. So many people gonna play quack. So then hey. Oh my! This lockdown season, I beg even me, if I be governor, I for them enforce complete lockdown every 2 days in a month. And they tell you to this lockdown they sweet somehow. That's why I say my baby can they grow up and down. Oh, but you know the lockdown again? Chineke. If anybody tell you say church go feed there, they don't go open church. If person say they don't go open church, you don't go make it. Now every church is just closed. Now open, make you see something, make you teach something. Even pastors don't respect themselves. Everybody don't go lock down for house, yo. Nah, this season of lockdown is with me. I mean, they talk to some PAs when they close to our governor, the Kurutu master. You know what they tell me? They say if Kurutu today here, say them go there for 1 mile away. I say, what do you happen now? Oh my God, no, don't kill me for this. They they say Kurutu now. Say I know say Kurutu from America. Come enter Australia. Come back Nigeria. Say for that first 2 weeks when you been come back. Say they don't even go close to him. Say they go say Oga say I want to see you. They will say which Oga? They will say Governor Okezi. They will say what? They will say no, tell them say my wife just born at the hospital. So many of them no green go see their Oga because of Koro. Koro get power. Hey, I beg you, we don't talk this Koro matter small. Make we talk. The worst part for this Koro issue, we say, oh Jehovah. So many sugar babies, they cry now. They cry. They say, hey, my sugar daddy, not everything come out again. This lockdown now keep up for us. He waved the money to him now. And now they see my sugar daddy. Now they can say this is lockdown good. The lockdown good though. I beg, make a cough this Koro cough small. Hallelujah, my heart. The cough don't reach. No. Before they go carry me, go inside quarantining. I be quarantine. I be quarantining. I bet what did they call them again? Okay, quarantine. So babies they cry now. Say all the Koro, all the sugar daddy them don't lock down. Don't lock down both pulse, so don't lock down both waist, so don't lock down everything. But meanwhile, today we've been enter street for Umuahia. We will go see how the town be. You know this is the 4th day of the lockdown. Will be this. We come to make we enter town, go see how the town be. My brother, the town dry. Just look at the video, make you see how everywhere just dry. Back everything they locked down. If you look my back now, you go see say everywhere just they clean, everywhere tidy up. Nobody there for streets. This now the 4th day for the lockdown for Abia State, and this now Umuahia town. No motor they move. Every motor they move, people here, they call them essential duty. People they move to go supply food, people they move to go supply water, medical people and stuff like that. Now they move around Umuahia now. Everywhere they lock down. I even come meet my friend Elder Pro. Elder Pro. If this elder, I don't even know if I speak English because now Igbo Karaka for Igbo. Now today I call the elder so they speak English. See I'm now they talk for English. See.
This lockdown good though, because it don't make some family men they house now. Somehow, because some of us will say every morning you go run. Some will get them. If you get one of my chairman, tell me say he like this thing. Because for in mind, sometimes every morning you go to eat now, so you go to run, they go office. You go carry breakfast for man, you go to run go. But now you go relax, madam go cook better food. You go chop, at least you go there like married man.
Not this small matter. Okay. Now we want to discuss very serious matter. Very, very serious matter. Yesterday, some days ago, the Commissioner for Information for Abia State, I don't say Commissioner for Nigeria, I don't say Lai Mohammed, I say Commissioner for Information. The person of Chief John Okeyikalo, him been post pictures say food bank for Abia, say food bank don't they. My brother, since where I born, reach it today. Now just yesterday, now I first see say we get food bank. Nah, but food today there. See picture now, see picture. In post picture of the food bank, see food, see rice, see tomato, see everything that they take, put ingredients together. We're gonna make this lockdown, call locking very well. Then they for that place. They can't say them go share and come give people. Where we say the thing they had for them for this lockdown season for Abia. But the point the question I want to ask me say, you get person now where this lockdown that they have for. even me, I need the food I need them. Make we no carry pose yanga take cover hunger too much. Make I go no keep person for this Abia, my brother. If you want to go buy Gary now, they go say one pint na 1,500. Something where would they buy 500, 700 naira. Now what thing be this canteen now? So me man need it. So the problem where I want to talk be say, how they want to share this food? Now they are the matter they. Make I come out my cap now. Serious matter be this. How they want to share this food? Where you go take reach the people where need them? Because we know say politicians for Nigeria, even for their state, most of them get bad mind. Most of them no they care about the poor. Most of them no one even see to even help poor people. As they bring this food so now, if they give them a share now, they go pack so many of them put inside their house. Make I tell you now. The people say make I tell you. If you pack this food put for your house, they can't thunder. They can't thunder when go visit you. Another joke, make a bone. The thunder when go visit you now thunder from the third heaven. You know say thunder when they come from the third heaven. Now explosive thunder. The thunder go visit you. Thunder go visit you. If you carry this food, go put for your house, share them for your family alone, chop up. Thunder of the masses go visit you. People they cry, say hunger, they can't hunger them. So are they want una now? All of una will go one carry this food, go put for una house, go chop them alone. Go deprive the poor people when need this food. Thunder from third heaven, now you go visit you now. So, not gonna watch una back to me to watch una. Would they watch una? Would they watch una? With our on your committee eye. And then another thing they say, we don't hear say people they contribute money from left, right, center. One day somebody was see for social media. He said these people when they contribute money for politicians, say we never see the money again. I said a lie. But they also talk about this thunder again, this time around again. I hear say First Bank, I mean which bank don't give us more above 25 million. Say Krisinaki don't give us 5 million. Say Gregory Bay don't also give us so many things, including money. Other people don't they contribute, even now that one for don't contribute. All of them don't contribute. If you not chop this money, the committee where they put them for hand, if you not chop this money or not divert even 5 naira, thunder where get muscle, where get belly the way I get belly, where get belly like one of my man where they for Abia, where they very close to governor. That kind of thunder where go visit, you go scatter your brain, scatter your family, you scatter everything. So what they want you, make you watch them very well. Make you not go touch that money. Make you make sure that use this money the way it's supposed to be. If you use them badly, you go see thunder now. Today na thunder day, now we day. Thunder day, now we day here. So we go also thank Dr. Alex Oti, where he madam bring so many things. Congo share for hospitals. He don't give FMC. You go see the picture. We see the picture. He don't give FMC. He don't give what do they call that hospital? Madonna Hospital. He don't go give hospital for Arochukwu. He don't give so many. We also Islam say he don't try. He don't try. Now we suppose show our. Make I tell you now. All these politicians will be say for 2022 they'll begin to do foundation. Foundation for this Friday. Foundation. And you know foundation us now. Now what we need that foundation? You know foundation us now. Wait now, we're waiting for you for foundation period. We are waiting for you with your foundation period. This is the time to show your foundation now. And all these our brother and sister waiting for big position for government. Show yourself now, support the people. Now you go show them. Well, make I not talk too much again. Make I say I thank una for always staying by to watch this video. To watch more of this video, just go, you go see for down here in the flow. Look for our YouTube handle. Go there, go subscribe, and also click for notification so that any content where we drop, you go always watch them. The YouTube handle they flow. Also go our Facebook. Go there, go like our Facebook. Go our Instagram and our Twitter. All of them they flow for here. So that they get content as they come. I thank you people. I bless you people. Thank you very much.